Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel and we shall continue with the part 3 of chapter 11 class 10 physics. I am Abhishek sir and let us start the journey. In this journey we are going to talk about the most important topic or the most important question for 4 marks that might come from this chapter in this body board exam, right? So the topic is defect of human eye. Now defects arise due to which the person cannot see the objects distinctly and comfortably. They are called defects of vision. There is a problem of seeing, reading the objects clearly. Now there are mainly three defects of vision that are discussed in the textbook. The first is myopia, also named as nearsightedness. Second one is hypermetropia, also known as farsightedness, and the third one is presbyopia. Clear? So three defects of vision: myopia, hypermetropia, and presbyopia. Now, whenever you write the answer of this question, for every defect, at least 4 points you have to write. Wherever there are figure, you may draw the figure as well. Now, starting with myopia. What happens in myopia is we all know that the light rays which come in and come inside our human eye must fall perfectly on the retina so that we can see perfectly. Now what happens in myopia is you can see on the left hand side a myopic eye is there and the light rays are even they are coming and going inside successfully, but you see this arrow, the light rays are not meeting actually at the retina but they are meeting in front of retina, right? So they meet early. So the person who is suffering from myopia is not able to see the perfect image. Clear? Now how we can solve the myopia? You can use a concave lens of appropriate power. Okay, now what it will do, it will help the light rays to refract in such a way that the light rays now, after wearing spectacles, after wearing concave lens, the light rays will fall exactly on the retina. Clear? So that is the solution: wearing of concave lens of appropriate power. Okay. Now in myopia is also known as nearsightedness because the person who is suffering from myopia is easily able to see the nearby object but cannot able to see the far objects. Clear? So if he or she wears concave lens of appropriate power, they can see the objects very clearly. Now if asked in exam what different points you will write, first of all see this figure very carefully. First is a myopic eye and the right side we have the solution of myopia. Now points to write: in this defect, a person can see nearby objects but cannot see far objects. The next point will be eye lens cannot become thin as per requirement because we want to see far objects but our eye lens does not become thin. Clear? So image forms before retina but not on the retina. It occurs due to two reasons: excessive curvature of lens, elongation of the eyeball. So these two are the reasons. Now this defect can be corrected by using concave lens of appropriate power. A concave lens of suitable power will bring the image back on the retina. So that's how myopia will be cured. Clear? Moving on to the next defect, that is hypermetropia or farsightedness. So first one point you can make from the title itself. The person who is suffering from hypermetropia will not be able to see nearby object but it can be able to see far sight and far objects. Clear? So nearby objects are not seen clearly. What actually happens is the light rays are coming but they are not meeting at the retina, but they seem to appear to meet behind the retina, right? So in short, what is happening, the light rays are not meeting exactly on the retina. Clear? So again, the person is not able to see the nearby objects clearly. Now what is the solution? We are using convex lens. Clear? So if you are using convex lens, what will happen? The light ray will be refracted in such a way that they will fall exactly on the retina. In the red circle you can see the light rays are falling exactly on the retina. So use convex lens for of appropriate power, you will be easily able to see, right? So Points to write in this defect again similar to that of myopia, just I have changed a little bit. So in this defect, person can see far object but cannot see nearby object. Eye lens cannot become thick as per requirement. Image seem to form after retina but not on retina. It occurs due to focal length becomes very large or shortening of the eyeball. So these are the two reasons that you will mention. Now this defect can be corrected by using convex lens of appropriate power. What it will do? It will bring the image back on the retina so that the person is easily able to see. Clear? So these are few points to write. You may pause the video to note down the points. Moving on to the last defect, that is presbyopia. Now it is related with power of accommodation of the eye. Now as the person or the human being ages, as it grows, the power of accommodation of the eye decreases, right? Now what is power of accommodation? Power of accommodation is the ability of eye lens to become thick or thin. Now who does it? Ciliary muscles, right? So presbyopia is the defect which arises because of weakening of ciliary muscles or loss of elasticity of lens, or the eye lens can become hard, right? Now if ciliary muscles become weak, then they cannot make the eye lens thick or thin. Now you know that when the eye lens become thick, we are able to see nearby object clearly, and when it becomes thin, we are able to see far objects clearly. But what will happen when it will neither be thick properly and thin properly? So what will happen? So in this case, person will not be able to see nearby things or far things clearly, right? The person will not become blind, but they will not be able to see things clearly. Okay, now we can say that this is a case where myopia is there and hypermetropia is also there. Clear? So what is the solution? In myopia we use concave lens, in hypermetropia we use convex lens. Right now in presbyopia the person is suffering from both. So what doctors are giving, they are suggesting to use bifocal lens. Remember the name, bifocal lens. Bifocal means the lens which is having two focal length. Okay, why two focal length? Because in bifocal lens, concave and convex lens are there in single screen. Okay, upper part concave, lower part convex. Now in some cases, when you see the spectacles of old age people, they might be using bifocal lens. Clear? So that will have concave as well as convex lens in single frame. Clear? So that is how you will be writing these points for presbyopia. Clear? Now other defect which are not discussed in this textbook is astigmatism, in which the eye lens cannot focus on horizontal and vertical lines specifically. In color blindness, person cannot distinguish between certain shades of color. So most of these defects can now be corrected by surgery, and I hope you all know the name of that surgery. It is known as LASIK. LASIK, or we also tell that as laser surgery. Okay, so thank you. That's all for this video. We have discussed one of the most important topic, that is defects of vision. You can also include cataract in defect while writing the notes. Okay, so we discussed myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia. We saw how eye lens is related to these defects. Clear? So please be active and write the notes properly. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. That's all for today.